friends call me Coach. I guess you can too. Hey, a bad.
Aw, shucks, he ain't too bad.
Well, shit. A paprika. Hold on, I'm healing. Oh, fuck, he's using the med kit. Hold still, let me heal you. Oh, fuck, he's using the med kit. Fuck. Hey, this thing plays the midnight runner. Quit fidgeting and let me heal you. Fuck this. Looks like we got ourselves some weapons. Mister, I don't think I like your attitude. Prepare for trouble.
Make it. No. This stops right now. 10 years. 10 fucking years you've been following me. And for what? Pikachu? You want him so badly? Here, take him. He's not even shiny. I've got like 8 more because you see, I haven't been wasting my life stalking some kid. I caught my own Pokemon. I've got so many Pokeballs, I don't know what to do with them. I'm fucking tripping balls. X-ball. Ugh. Bitch be tripping balls. Stay the hell out of my sight.
Meow, that's right.
Alright, my number is on the fridge. Make sure he gets his nummies and nappies. See you at 8.
Hello, is anyone there? Who's there? Who's there? There you are. Are you still there? Nap time.
At last, we found it, Al. The Philosopher's Stone.
Why, the smelly heart of Gryffindor! I command thee to back away, shorty!
What was that, Four Eyes?
Oh, good show, Oedipus! How's that mother complex?
Bite me, larper!
A dashing Roberto, really!
How about you shut the hell up and I kick your ass equivalent exchange, bitch! Your mom... You know when your mom says not to pick at it? Boy, she wasn't kidding.
Our mom is a pus-spewing organ pile sent against God.
Yikes, good luck with that.